Dean, if you were to be asked what should be the next steps in resolving this matter in the most expeditious and efficient manner?
Well, siguro yung dapat gawin ng gobyerno ngayon is to coordinate with the French authorities, no, to verify yung information or yung report about the pending asylum claim or application ni Mr. Saldico, and then take it from there, no. So kung talaga may application for asylum and it's not
Freeze.
Dean,
Freeze.
I think we lost you.
uh,
Dean, sorry, you'll have to repeat that. You're still choppy.
he is being represented, possibly also invoke yung Article 44 nung UNCAC, yung United Nations Convention on Against Corruption. Pwede makatulong yun, no? So, importante lang dito ma-establish ng government na walang basis to say na he is wanted because of political persecution or may danger sa kanya na babalik sa dito, na like possibility na may threat sa kanyang buhay or may possibility of he will be subjected to torture or other mga cruel and degrading punishment, kasi yun yung basis na ano eh.
Yeah.
So if he can establish na may talagang well-founded belief na may threat sa kanyang life, may possibility of that he's being wanted for, that this is all about persecution because of his na politically motivated or related, so magkaka-basis yung kanyang claim for political asylum.
Yeah. But Dean, in the end, I suppose it's a bit late already because at this point, government is on the defensive in having to establish these things. It's it's on the defensive. It has to establish these things.
Well, technically po, technically yung burden of proof nasa applicant, pero normally iyanon yan eh. It will be studied by the French authorities, yung judicial authorities nila, kung talaga may basis yung claim for asylum. And normally, European unions, normally, very, very protective for political, sa mga applicants for political asylum. So we really have to be sure na talagang ma-establish natin, maipakita natin sa kanila na walang basis for for the claim na may political persecution or may threat to his life. Pero lagay ko gagamitin niya talaga yun threat to his life, yung mga ganun.